Mouse! Mouse! That's my son!
미국 일리노이주 데스플레인스의 리버스 카지노. 술에 취한 중국계 여성이 카지노에서 소란을 피우고 있다는 신고가 접수됩니다. 수백만 원을 잃은 뒤 퇴장을 거부하던 그녀를 내보내기 위해 경찰이 출동하는데요. 그런데 체포 직후 그녀의 입에서 뜻밖의 이야기가 나오기 시작합니다.
ID?
No, my ID is not the
It doesn't match, apparently, whatever her address is.
35th 11 South Hall Avenue. It's across
Can I see your ID, please?
my ID, not
It's
like...
okay, yes. Can I just see your ID? Why are you yelling? There's no need to be yelling. I'm not yelling.
I'm not yelling.
Thank you.
That's not
No,
my
it's okay. It's okay.
Not.
It's okay. Cab or an Uber. Okay? No big deal. Here you go.
Well, I'm over.
You have to go. Yeah, just order it.
Hey, you need to take me. Go.
Why we gotta take you? We're not gonna take you.
Why are you so mad?
Yeah, don't be yelling. You be nice
So
to you,
everyone's
right?
okay. We're just here to help you out.
I want to make sure you get home safely, no problems, okay? That's my goal for tonight, all right? So how about that? We get in the taxi, $65, no problem, okay? On that time. That sounds like a pretty good deal, right?
No,
Pretty
No?
good.
So how you gonna get home?
that's fine.
How? You have somebody you can call it to pick you up?
We're not going to be doing this though, man. We got to get you off.
You have to go.
You're emotional. I want you off this property
Yeah,
because
you heard too many
sad.
events, so you gotta go, okay?
So you got money on you? Because we can help you to the cab, okay?
Yeah, we'll help you.
Come on, let's go.
Credit card?
Come on. The door's right here. We don't want to arrest you.
No, come on, let's go.
No, see, you don't want that. You're a nice lady. Come on. I don't know what happened. Come inside the cab. We'll
Sit
walk
down
in
so
there.
you relax, okay?
Otherwise, you're going to go to the station.
We don't want to do that.
Cost you more money.
It's more than $65 for
Then
that.
you'll be in jail. You'll be in the bars.
We don't want to do that.
Why I go to the jail?
Oh
That's
no!
not very nice.
You.
All right. Well, just want to do the citation and then.
Yeah, I get the citation ready.
All right, we're gonna have to citate you now. Otherwise, you can go to the cab. But once we do the citation, we gotta cite it because we're detaining,
On
right?
that side, if you go, just take the taxi.
It's right there, man. You seem too nice. You got a little stuffed animal on your pillow, whatever.
The boo-boo? Yeah, take the
Purse.
boo-boo and go home. Let's go home. Come on.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, let's
You
go.
listen to the.
Listen to the little boo-boo.
Yeah, it's cute. It's a nice little stuffed animal. It seems like we're not being peaceful.
That's too much.
You drank too much. Yeah, it happens.
That's too much.
Drink too
That's
much.
too much.
Too much.
Too much money.
You see, I don't think you act like this normally.
I don't want to stay with you.
Then how are you going to get home then? If you can find another way home, if you
Hey, you just take me. Go to everywhere.
we don't want to take you. It's just easy to get in the taxi and go, right? No problem.
You want to?
But why? This is like $60-some.
It's cheaper than a $250 ticket, and we're going to court.
No, $60-some. No.
I can smell the booze from here. So just try to think straight for a second and go over to this cab, okay?
Not $60-some.
I'm all set.
Yeah, get this thing. Now you can't leave.
If you don't get in the taxi, I'm never going to allow you back at the casino ever again.
I know where to say.
Let's just give her a citation, then we'll take her from there. All right. Sorry. Yeah, sit down.
Can you please take the taxi? You want me to give you $20 to help for the taxi? Sure, we'll take $20 out of my wallet just to go with it. I don't care. Do you need $20?
Yeah, more.
You need more? I can't give you more than that, man. Sorry. You're gonna get a $250 ticket. Do you really want that?
No. I know what you
One more chance to get in the taxi, no problems, okay? Is it yes or no?
$250, right?
Is it a ticket or you go?
You're gonna have to pay then if you go $250. Otherwise, you just leave and it's a $60.
No, I don't want to pay.
It's $190.
I don't want to pay.
All right. Well, now you gotta pay $250. Please don't make me sign this. Just get in the taxi. You're trying to save you $190, basically. I don't want you to pay $250. It's more money. Please, get in the taxi. We're trying to be... Seems like you had a rough day in there. We understand.
No.
경찰과 카지노 직원들은 무려 20분이 넘게 귀가를 설득하지만 이 여성은 데려다주지 않으면 안 가겠다고 고집을 부립니다.
That's the way home right there. You gonna go in there?
No.
You almost did it. A couple more stops and you're good.
No.
Just a couple more. Come on, we'll help you. Come on.
No.
You're too nice to be doing
No.
Just give her.
Give it to her. Last chance. Before I sign it. Alright, I tried to be nice to you. Don't say I ever wasn't.
You're giving you more chance than other people, too. We were extra nice to you today. Okay. Can you sign this ticket for me?
No.
No? Refuse.
Still gonna get the ticket. $250 more.
Here's your ticket.
No.
Okay, so this is still coming with you either way you
Don't
go.
take me to home.
We're not taking you home.
If you are not taking me home to home.
We're not going to take you
Yeah.
home.
You're giving me tickets.
Yeah. Yeah, you're going. You got your ticket. You got to go now.
Yeah, now tell her next option.
Now, the next step.
You.
No.
You're no.
No.
Come on. Ma'am, what are you doing?
So now if you don't get in a taxi, you're going to get arrested for trespass.
You go to jail. You go to
We don't want to do that either. This is all it's all up to you.
Then there'll be court dates.
And then you have to pay court fees.
Court fees, lots of court fees.
A lot of
You have
money.
to get a lawyer.
Don't give me say about that. I want to say, if you want to take me, go home.
You're being too stubborn right now. You gotta listen. You could give your mom a call because I don't think your moms don't want you to be arrested. She'll have to pick you up at the station. And we're trying to tell you to walk into this cab so that does not happen.
Now you're getting one more warning. I'm going to talk to you like a child now.
Otherwise, you're going in handcuffs.
One more. Yes or no? You leaving? Yes?
What's happening?
Guys, talking to you.
I'm talking to you, Audrey. Last warning.
What's happening with you?
Are you leaving?
What's
Yes or no?
happening?
Are you leaving? Yes or no? I'm going to take that as a no. Is that a no? You're not going to leave?
You are
I am not a...
with me?
Oh, you calling me a... Oh, sorry about that.
No, I'm not with you.
Okay. All right, Audrey.
Where?
Now you're being under arrest for trespassing, okay?
Stand still.
Okay.
There you go.
Relax.
We
Try to be nice.
tried everything.
You try to be nice, right?
Maybe.
So put your phone right here.
Okay, we'll give you a ride to the station.
Now you get a ride, okay?
You'll be okay.
순순히 갈할 때 갔으면 아무 일도 없었던 일을 이 여성이 일을 크게 만들고 있습니다. 그리고 더 충격적인 말을 실토합니다.
Small wrist, watch the wrist.
David 6-1 coming range.
Okay, my baby right home. You are
If you're a
the
baby
best.
you shouldn't be at the casino, right?
Yes,
don't want to casino.
I gotta go to the casino just once. You're sincere, baby. Yeah.
죄가 되는지 알았건 몰랐건 일리노이주에서는 18개월 된 아이를 혼자 두고 카지노를 오는 것은 아동방임 혐의로 형사처벌 대상입니다.
Where is my bag?
We'll get you your
Where's
bag.
my bag?
We're gonna get you.
It's coming with you. The
Okay, my bag. Get my bag.
Let's get her in the car.
Now you
You
got
come. My bag. My bag.
Kids, stop.
My bag.
You sharing with kids, man.
My bag.
Now you just call a family. That was a very nice.
6-1.
Stop. Look that way.
Look
that way.
Don't do that.
Let's look there from the legs. Sit there from the legs. Get her in the legs.
Did you get the rep?
Wait a minute.
County 1 David.
Why yours? Why not yours? Yeah, why? Why yours? Why? Why yours? like that! I'm like mom! My body! My body! My body! My baby!
No, she didn't.
My body just like 18 months!
Let's get her over there.
My body just 18 months! Hey!
Sit her down.
Hey! My
Come on.
son just 18 months! My son just 18 months! My son just 18 months! My son just 18 months! You know! Everybody know! My son just 18 months! Oh! My son just 18 months! Oh! You know! My son just a baby! My son tomorrow! No bar! No mom! No everybody! My son just 18 months! 18
Then you
months.
shouldn't be at Rivers. Your baby's 18
My
months.
son just 18 months! Ah! I can't bear American citizen! My son just 18 months!
나중 경찰 조사에서 밝혀진 내용이지만 그 시각 아이의 아빠도 카지노에 있었습니다. 한편 만약을 위해 경찰은 일단 무전을 보내 여성의 주소지로 구조대를 급파했습니다.
You can track! My son just 18
I
months!
believe you.
Yeah! My son just 18 months! That's my son! My son! My son! My son just 18 years! My 18 months! That's my son! What you do about that? You!
I stand her up.
Okay, ready, man?
Mama!
Let's wait for them to give
Mama!
more numbers.
Mama! My son just 18 months! Why somebody do like that? My son!
I got it.
Just 18 months!
Anything else on that?
What happened with me?
You're going to the police station and we'll call your son, okay? It'll be alright.
Why? I go to police station! Why?
Anybody got a problem?
Why?
I have one of them.
Why?
All right, we're gonna come over here, or should we go in mine? Yeah, let me put her in mine. All right, we're coming this way, okay? I'm going towards you, Alicia. This way. Okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Just relax.
Why? What's happened? Where's me?
Hey, relax, okay? You and me are cool. All right, just sit.
Ah!
Well, I'll help you call your son, okay?
Oh, my son doesn't know.
Who's he with? Who's he with? Husband?
No, I don't have a husband.
Okay.
You know.
Who's taking care of?
That's my son.
Okay, relax.
That's my.
Okay, let me. Okay. Just a breather, okay? Just breathe. We're gonna figure this out, okay? Were you here with anybody?
No, it's a mother.
Were you here with a friend or who?
Nobody's in there.
Were you here with a friend?
Why?
So I can help you, so I can call somebody for you. Were you here with somebody?
Why?
Okay. Alright, just chill out.
결국 이 중국계 여성은 무단 침입과 아동방임 혐의로 기소됐습니다. 그리고 아이는 출동한 구조대에 의해 안전하게 구조되어 보호시설로 옮겨졌습니다. 이날 가장 큰 손실은 돈이 아니라 잃어버린 가족과 한 어머니의 판단력이었습니다. 영상이 유익하셨다면 구독과 좋아요 부탁드립니다. 감사합니다.